How to fix Snapchat device ban. If any of you are a Snapchat user and someday your Snapchat device has been banned, it may be quite frustrating to you, but do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. First of all, tap on Snapchat for a while. After you tap on Snapchat for a while, you can see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the eye option out there. After you go to the eye option, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of notification. After tapping on the option of notification, you have to enable the allow notification. You also need to enable allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of permissions. And after going to the option of permission, you have to allow the permission to the camera, to the contacts, to the location, to the microphone, to the nearby devices, to the notification, to the phone, and to the photos and videos. After that, you have to go back, and after going back, you have to go to the option of set as default. After going to the option of set as default, you have to enable open supported links. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the option of storage. After tapping on the option of storage, if there is any cache, you have to go to the option of clear cache. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to scroll down until you find the option app details and store, and you have to open your very application in Google Play Store. After that, you can see the option of update out there. If there is the option of update, you have to update your application. If not, just it's okay. After that, you have to close it, and you have to go to the next option. You have to go to the Google Chrome on your very mobile device. Now after tapping on the Google Chrome there, you have to search snapchatsupport.com. After you search support.snapchat.com, you can see an interface like this, and then you have to see an interface like this, and you have to do the other process out there. Just support Snapchat support. After you search Snapchat support, you can see an interface like this. Now tap on the option of Snapchat support. After you tap on the option of the Snapchat support, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of my account is locked and tap on the option of my account is locked. After you tap on the option of my account is locked, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of my account has been permanently locked. After you go to the option of my account has been permanently locked, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of here, and after you tap on the option of here, you can see an interface like this, and then you can see an interface like this, and you can see the various process on how you can appeal and what types of account locks are able to be appealed and how can I submit an appeal, and all of these are kind of articles here. Now you just need to type on the very tick icon out there, and you have to go up, and again after going up you can see the various kind of separately here. Just tap on the separately. If not being able to do, you can go to the option of the community guidelines there. After you go to the option of community guidelines, you can see the various kind of things here, and you have to go to the option of here. After you tap on the option of here, you can see an interface like this, and this way your problem can be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.